It's about 12:30 in the afternoon here in the city of Turin. Just been sitting here reflecting, thinking about just things. I'm at the end of my trip. I'm going home back to England in a couple of days, and I haven't been home for about 3 months. Been traveling, so it's been sitting here for a bit. It's nice, the water, just the sounds, the bliss. So what I'm actually doing today, you won't be able to see it from here, but it's a mountain up there somewhere. It's there's a big church on top of that hill. It's called Superga. So I'm gonna make the pilgrimage. Usually people get a tram, get a bus, and get transport to go there, but today I'm hiking up there. I'm gonna walk there from now, so let's go. There's a evangelist that we needed. That way. So far it's taken me about, I think, an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours so far. I think about an hour and a half to get to here so far. I'd estimate the church, I think it's a church. It's called Superga. I don't really know what it is. I think it's just a big church on the hill. It's only just up there somewhere, but I think it's going to take me roughly half an hour max to get there. So it's just here. It says here Superga, 1.6 kilometers. So maybe that way's less intense. This way's a little bit more intense. Definitely I will do the more intense way. Challenge myself. I feel like this is the right thing to do. I could easily have gotten a tram or a bus to get here, then a tram to go up the hill. I'd already be up there. I would have already have eaten, taken my pictures for Instagram. Woo, life is cool. And that'll be it. I'll be on my way down, kind of bored. But this, I feel like is the best option for me anyway. I'm a young man. I'm healthy. I'm fit, or at least aspiring to become fit, whatever. And I feel like this is the right thing to do. But I don't want to get to Superga and it be just done like that. It's too fast. Life is not about getting rewards instantly. If the reward is instant, it's not worth it. And I'm starting to learn that now as I'm a bit older. If it's instant, it's not worth it. And that goes with many things. This is where it gets a bit deep. That goes with many things. It could go for somewhere like porn. It's there, it's instant, so it's not good for you. If food is fast, if it's fast food, then it's not good for you. I think it goes the same with walking. I think this is it's more fulfilling, for me anyway. Maybe for a little old lady, maybe a bus and a tram and a transport would be more convenient, but as a 28-year-old man who's turning 29, it's more fulfilling. It's what we men should be doing. We should be going up these hills, taking hikes up a big hill or mountain. So I was down there in the city, just over there, and now I'm all the way up here, and I've done that by foot. Not one single bit of transport I've taken. So it's more satisfying for a man, I believe. Maybe for women as well, I don't really know. This is the way for men. I think it's also dawning on me that time is running out. I'm 29 this year. Time, of course, for me is going fast. And I'm getting grey hairs on my beard, on my chest, on the side here. So I suppose it's dawning on me that 30 is just around the corner. If you're older than 30 and watching this, you'll definitely laugh at me, I guarantee it, I understand. But the thing is, it's dawning on me that my 20s is running out. Before I know it, I'll be 30 and I'll be, oh, okay. I know age is just a number in that sense, and you're as young as you feel, woo, but one day, before I know it, I won't be the young man that I once was. In terms of body, I'll be not as healthy, so I won't be able to do this. So I just want to use my body and push my body to the maximum of its capabilities and always progress, become stronger. I want to use my body, otherwise by the time I'm 40 or 50, I'll lose it. I'll be a big fat fucker in a mobility scooter or something shit like that. I don't want to be like that. That's not for me, personally. So I'm pushing myself. From now on, I'll always push myself, physically and mentally.